Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to be learning how to make braided butterfly hairstyle. I'm sure you love this hairstyle so much, and when you see it you'll be like, how did they do this hairstyle? Don't worry. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make butterfly hairstyle. So if you are watching my video for the first time, all you need to do is click on that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification to always get notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for doing that. So to make this hairstyle, I'm going to start by sectioning the hair into the size I want. Butterfly hairstyle is always beautiful when the braid is big, okay, not tiny, but when the braid is big, you'll see how the beauty will come out very well. So I'm just going to section the hair into what I want, and then remove the attachments I'm going to be using for the braid. So please watch how I do it. It's very simple, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. So guys, as you can see, I'm removing the attachments I'm going to be using. The attachment has to be big, okay, let me say medium, not too big, not too small, okay, just like you see me removing it there. It's not too big, it's not too small, and then I'll just keep it aside and then remove a smaller one, in case I will need to add it to the hair while braiding it, because I said that it has to be big, like bold, so that the butterfly will show very well and look very beautiful. So that is it. So it's time for me to braid the hair now. You can see that I'm dividing this attachment into three, okay, into three parts, so that I will be able to fit in to the person's natural hair, just like you see me doing with this mannequin, okay. So when you are making someone's hair, when you want to braid the hair, you divide it into three and fit it into your fingers, just the way you see me doing in the video. Okay, if you don't do it like that, you might do mistake when you are braiding, and your braiding might not come out tight and fine. Okay, so guys, after doing that, just like you section this attachment into three, you're going to section the person's hair into three, so that you can match them and fit the attachment into the person's hair. As you can see, I'm dividing it into three. Then from there, I'm going to join them together and braid it. Okay, so that's how to making the butterfly hairstyle. So as you are braiding, if you notice that the attachment is small, you just take small attachment and add it, okay, just like you are doing knotless braid. You just add the attachments to the hair to make it bigger and longer. Okay guys, so at this point you can start removing the butterfly. So if you cannot use your finger to remove the butterfly, then you make use of comb or something sharp, something you can use in removing the butterfly. So you remove the butterfly from the last, okay, let me say second to the last hair. For example, you can see where I removed my own, second to the last hair that I just braided, okay. I don't know how to explain, but the way I'm doing it in the video, you just look at it there and try to get or understand the technique, okay. So, and when you are removing this butterfly, it has to come out neat and sharp, okay. But that first one, they did not come out very well. The next one I'm going to remove is going to be better, okay guys. So I'm just showing you, though it's still okay like that. When you're removing the butterfly, make sure that it comes out big and sharp, very fine, and there has to be a hole in the attachment that you're removing. So you just braid like 2 or 3 times and then remove the butterfly from the second to the last braid. I don't know if you understand me. You can see how that second one came out very fine and beautiful. So that's how to do it. You continue doing it like that. You continue braiding like 2 to 3 times before removing the butterfly from the second to the last braided hair, okay, just like that till you get to the end of to the tip of the hair, and then that is it. That's how to make your butterfly hairstyle. Very simple. So when you see this hairstyle next time, just don't be wondering, how did they make this hairstyle? This is how they do it, okay. Though it takes lots of time to make this hairstyle, but just try to be fast. And when you're moving your butterfly, make it to be clean and neat. You can see that the hole there that is in the hair, the butterfly that is coming out, the hole there is making it to look very beautiful, and people can notice that, okay, fine, this is butterfly hairstyle. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and please subscribe to this channel.